Hi, Abhay. How are you doing? Can you hear me? So I think you're not in the holiday session, right? Yeah, in the Saturday, what we discussed, I asked you them to complete the Welcome to Service Now module and micro certification on Welcome to Service Now. Okay, try start doing that. In the meantime, are you available with your laptop now? Okay, I understand. It was rainy here as well, so nothing to be worried. What about here or like today? Are you available with your laptop, or else you launched your session in your phone? So you're with your laptop or you launched your session in the phone? Yeah, that's great. So now go to learning.servicenow.com. So go to your ServiceNow University. So one second. I'm sharing my screen. Go to the ServiceNow University. Is it possible, Abhay, share me your screen so that it's helpful for you to, I'm giving you I'm making you co-organizer as a presenter. Just is it fine to share your screen? That is fine. I'll give you access. Are you able to share your screen? Okay, I'm making you as a presenter. So I made you presenter. Just open your share me your screen so that I can see and what to do. I'll explain you in detail. Yeah, hi Abhishek. How are you doing? Yeah, I can see your screen. Abhay. Just click on My Learnings. Yeah, click on My Learnings. Yes. And there you can see assigned courses 17, right? Just click on there. So this is how, one second, Abhay, I'll explain to others as well. Just wait for a couple of minutes. So that like the rest of the TAs here, who are following me, just wait for like a couple more minutes to more people join so that it will be easy for them. Yeah, how are you doing, guys? Abhishek and Arjun. All right, good. Yeah, that's great. So anyhow, these two people have done with your. You both done with the welcome to ServiceNow and micro certification for ServiceNow, right? Arjun and Abhishek. Yes. Yeah, that's great. So let me wait for like a couple more minutes, so that like who missed the session on Saturday could come to know what to do. And after explaining this thing, I'll start going with the CSA. Okay. So this is very important, what we have learned in the sessions. Sometimes, even though if we, due to some time issues or due to some internet issue, like what other things happen, like if something is not covered or not happened in the sessions, we can get that full information in ServiceNow fundamentals on demand. Okay, nothing to be worried. We got like almost like 12 days. I can explain you the topics wise again and again. In the meantime, you'll have some tasks, you have to perform them, and after that we have a big project, we have to build that. This is just in the using, being an administrator in ServiceNow, you should also have an awareness on all these topics. So that is why this CSA, anyhow, the developer, without this knowledge, no one can become a developer actually. Okay. So basically, after an administrator only, we can build a developer. That is the reason this is very mandatory. And what are the interview questions, what are exactly that were asked from the administrator itself? Like very few questions. If you're like 2 3 4 years experienced candidates, the questions comes from developer, like asking you like to perform some scripts, so those kind of things. But as of now, this is, so Abhay, you just finished with 10 points that is achieved through micro certification or welcome to service now, I think so. So you're being enrolled with the UP cohort, so you are assigned with 17 courses free. So in that you are assigned with CSA voucher as well. Okay, this is a great opportunity where you can utilize your skills and add something, add an added advantage to your resume, so that you will get like more opportunities in the future. Okay, whether you're working with ServiceNow or whether you're working with some other organization on different things also, this will give an added advantage. If you have some certifications in your resume, that will be more advantage for you. Okay. In the same time, like when you're working on this, I'll always recommend you guys try to be in an organization, like try to learn such a kind of course which is like cloud, which is based on cloud platform, and which is integrated with AI, and which is giving regular updates. Okay, follow this, keep these three things in mind and search for a job. Like if you are going with some other course or whatever it is, never ever depend on those things, because like everything in this world is like like replicating with AIs. So try to use your time and spend, like if you're taking like extra month or something, it doesn't make any sense. But like if you're placed a job with some other organization, and after a couple of months, if the course got like an outdated, what you have, you lose your job. So at that moment again, what you have to do, like you have to learn some other new course, and again you have to look for a job. So better you are in the beginning stage, try to like join not only service now, whatever the course you want to join, that should contain these three things, so that it will be very helpful for you. Okay, so I think people on only 4 people joined, ready for one of the questions. So this is anyhow going in progress. Okay, so this is a session started and it is going. Abhay, nothing to be worried about this. So this is your current session that is going. So if you see the class option, that means it is paid. Okay, don't go with this kind of things. Just okay, just Abhay, try to finish this micro certification. Welcome to service now. Okay, and then after, just come down. I would like to see what are the assigned courses for you guys. Just scroll up. Just click on assigned courses, Abhay. No worries. Just click on assigned courses. Just scroll upwards a little bit. Yeah, click on assigned courses. Yes. So yeah, flow designer, introduction, IT, service management. Like anyhow, this session is not going to be ended after the project building. Anyhow, it will start continuing as well. We'll help you in finishing all these modules. Okay, just go to the next thing. No, yes, that is fine. Okay, welcome to service now. Try to finish that, Abhay. You see there, welcome to service now. Like you have to finish the assigned courses for you. Okay, though then you'll get some knowledge and you'll come to know what exactly the service now. Yeah, hi everyone, just follow me because I think like couple more join. So I'm just explaining you what you have to do in the current sessions and what will be happen now. Okay, firstly you have to finish, go to log into your ServiceNow University, that means learning.servicenow.com. Then after give your credentials, get into logins and click on my learnings on the top here, my learnings, and then you'll see like assigned, completed. There'll be some courses assigned to you. In that, firstly start doing with welcome to service now course, and then after micro certification, welcome to service now. Okay, so you have to finish this course. Just go to the next one, introduction to app engine, automated test framework, introduction to config flow designer. Okay, so now we go to administration, service now administration fundamentals on demand. Just click on that, resume. Okay, so these courses are already assigned to you. Okay, So, and after you finish these courses, you will be eligible for the CSA voucher. Okay, the operations team will guide you how to book your exam and how to claim your voucher, etc. Things. Okay, so just click on resume for ServiceNow Fundamentals on Demand Xanadu. So, so you are assigned with courses previously. So just click on that. Yeah, resume. Here you see resume in yeah, ServiceNow Administration Fundamentals on Demand. On the second thing, just in progress. In the in progress, just click on resume. Someone raised something. Yes. So when is the exam? You know, after you finishing all these things, then you can claim your voucher, and then after you can schedule your exam. So we are not going to schedule any exam. You'll give you get your voucher, and then from there you can claim your. Then you can claim like schedule your exam. Okay. Just whenever you come to the instance page, I hope everyone are you with your laptops in front of your laptop, guys, because if you're not in front of your laptops, there's no point being in the session, because it's just listening to the session. So I want you hands-on practice. That is the reason everyone should be with your laptops, open your now learning, and start doing your courses. Okay, during this time I'll explain you the project as well. This is like nothing like bringing a project from somewhere and discuss, like every module you should be getting practice on that. If you're not getting any practice, so it is waste of your time. All right, yeah, just after coming to this thing, then you'll have open my instance, like try to wake your instance first. Abhay, yeah, wake my instance. Yes. So it's gonna take like a couple more minutes to open the instance. Actually, it is like this is called one of the baseline instance. So remember this kind of questions gonna ask in the CSA examinations. What are baseline instances? Okay, there are like couple of baseline instances. One of the example is now learning, the instance that is provided by ServiceNow University, and you have developer instance, that is also one baseline instance. That means, and you're also having service portal, that is also one of the baseline instance. So this kind of questions will be asked, like there'll be questions. What are the following are baseline instances in ServiceNow? In the below of that options, they'll give like developer instance, your personal PDI, and then after instance provided by now learning, and a service portal provided by service portal. They'll give like that, and they will ask you pick the right answers. They don't give like single options, pick the right answers. Then in the bottom they'll give some questions, or like suddenly they'll give the options side by side and you have to choose them. Okay, you requested your instance, right? All right, so yeah, just click on help, ebook help. First thing, go to Abhay, just click on ebook help. Yeah, instance help, ebook help. Yeah, click on ebook help. So, so there'll be like when you're clicking resume and ticking these boxes, give me a second. Okay. So when you start enrolling this, they will be added to your ebook. You all know how to open your ebook? Anyone know how to open your ebook? Yes. Yeah, then it is perfect for you guys. So like the courses, what are the courses you should be done? They are assigned directly. The ServiceNow will directly assign those courses to the ebook. You have to do that courses mandatory. Like the ebook is like a guide, but whereas this instance will give you a direct instance where you can work directly. So in this you can request for instance, but where you open the ebook. So Abhay, you know how to open your ebook. So if you have access with your credentials, just try to open your ebook. Yes. So there, when you click on that link, it will give you, ask you like, the credentials, the login ID and password. Once you enter that, it will directly show what are the courses assigned to you from the ServiceNow. Okay. So if something is assigned from ServiceNow, that means like, very you should be thankful to ServiceNow, because they are spending some amount on you to get you knowledge. Okay, you will be benefited with this kind of programs. So you're opening your ebook, Abhay? Mhm. All right. Yeah, that is fine. Okay. Just if you can, you do. Otherwise, like, let's continue. That is okay. Just come down, scroll upwards. You see, like, this is the instruction for how ebook, like, how to go to accessing link, and you just click to you see it to the right corner, help it, servicenow.read.linking.co.com. That directs you to the ebook. Okay, nothing to be worried. Just the instructions are clearly mentioned here. If anyone is facing any troubles, if you're facing any issues to linking, going to the ebook or accessing these things, just ask me in the chat so that I'll help you to get out of the situations. Okay. Yes. Linking access the ebook. Okay, just scroll upwards. That is just how to link the course to the ebook. Only like, I'll the courses which are assigned to you will directly come to the ebook. But if you want to assign some course for yourself, for example, uh, I just click on ServiceNow University. Just click on ServiceNow University once. Yeah, yeah. So this movement, okay. Just on the search bar, not here, on the home, just scroll, come down. On the search bar, enter integrations hub. Integrations. Integrations. Yeah, okay. Just enter. Just enter, okay. Integrations. Yes, enter. Integrations in ServiceNow, like whatever it is, open. So basically, if you want to enroll to one kind of things, I'll explain you how this ServiceNow University deals. So you see the beginner and the 2 days. Just go upwards. If something is mentioning, just on open integration hub fundamentals. Open that once. Yes. So when you see the start, just come down once. Uh, Stay here. Don't click on start. I'll explain you. When you see start means that course is free for you. Listen to me, guys. There are two types of courses in ServiceNow University. One is paid course and one is free course. Okay. Don't feel like, in the University of ServiceNow everything is free. So in the University of ServiceNow also, there are some paid courses and some are unpaid courses. Okay, with unpaid courses, we'll get lot of knowledge, and maximum of the information of the ServiceNow is presented in the unpaid courses itself. Okay, only some few things like plugins, any other important things that they want to make. Then you, instead of start, you'll see class. Okay, when it is showing class, that means you have to pay for that course. Okay, don't get confused. Sir, I was entering this, but unfortunately I'll see class and I click that is asking for the payment. Okay, if you see class, that means you have to pay for that. Okay, when you're enrolling, like, click on start once. Abhay. Yes. So after clicking on start, it will give you, ask you, like, two things: training and certification terms and conditions. With my acknowledgement, I at least that I am legal age. So if you accept this, this will be assigned to you, and you'll have 365 days to complete this course. Okay, if you're like, if you're much interested, like, nowadays integrations, like, integrations is nothing like, don't do, like, when you wanted to do that, just do that. Why integration? I just went with, like, it is one of the important topic in nowadays. So you have to know what is integration basically, and how we do integrations in service now. Okay, it will be covered in developer, but I'll give you a sample example. Like, integrations help you to connect one server with another server. basically like now you are using this instance like ServiceNow instance, but you know the end URL for Google. Okay, if you know the end URL for WhatsApp, if you know the end URL for LinkedIn, if you know the end URL for your Telegram, whatever it is, end URLs means like there'll be some this connecting point. There'll be a like link, nothing much, but just type in Google or something, you'll come to know end URL. That means like end point that makes a connection. So if you have that endpoint, like and whereas Google it is paid, so you can't directly integrate. Like there'll be some services like Telegram is free. Actually, you can integrate. If you send a message in ServiceNow, that message will be going in Telegram. That is what integration. That means you're merging two platforms using the integration SOAP or REST your APIs. Okay, that is why I'm just giving you an overview. Okay, so once you start learning this, like I'll explain you in detail, man. Like nothing will be explained 100%. Like being a trainer, also I'll cover what are the topics to be covered, I'll be covered. But if you start digging, then only you'll get some information. So you have an open source ServiceNow University. Okay, no other courses like you go like any other AIs or what are things. They are not being trained on this. They don't give 100% full-fledged operation like things. Okay, you have an open source ServiceNow University where you can like enroll to any course and start working and learn, get your knowledge. Okay, just go back, just go to my learnings and open the ServiceNow fundamentals on demand. So what are the courses which are assigned to you? Firstly, you have to finish those. And then after you go with any other things, you are based upon your interest. Now we go like Gen AI, Agentic AI, many things in service now. Those are also very important. Now assist, what are virtual agents? Yeah, just click on service now fundamentals on demand. So try to open everyone, start waking your instance. So that is mandatory. You all with your laptops, right? Guys, you're all with your laptop, right? I have 7 attendees. I want the 7 people's response. Anyhow, Abe is with me. I want the rest 6 people's response. Yes, I got only 2 responses. What about the other guys? I want all your responses, guys. I'm fine. I can go with these people. I'm not. I don't force you because yes, you all have. That's great actually. So after Snap, go to Snap Lab update set. Just click on there after ebook. Yeah. Is your instance ready, Abe? Is it still open my instance? Like, you can see, is your instance ready? Just mention. Because we requested for the instance, right? That should be open. Open my instance. Click on open my instance once. I think you're only sharing one tab, then it's fine. If it is opening for you, then it's fine. Like, just go to the sharing options. There you'll see share entire screen. Yes. Welcome to admin home service now. Just go upwards. Yeah, this is ready. Okay, click on all, then it's ready. This is requested from ServiceNow, right? Now learning, right? Yeah, just click on all. So yeah, your instance is ready so that you can start working. Just yeah, that is fine. Just go to the page, previous page. Go to ServiceNow fundamentals on demand, administrative fundamentals on demand. Yes, everyone try to open your instance, wake your instance up. So we got like some labs here. We're gonna finish them. And in the bottom, in the ninth module, we have capstone project. Okay, just scroll upwards and then go to the ninth module. There you see capstone project. Okay, if you finish that course here, meanwhile I got some other new project to assign you. I'll explain you, we're going to work on it. But in the meantime, you have all the modules inside. For each and every topic, you'll be having a lab. Try to finish that, then only we'll start the snap. Okay, just come down away. Just go to the module 1. So what are the tasks assigned? Because I'll explain you in the meantime, like even yes, course introduction. So that is readable. Just course introduction is readable. Just click on that. So everyone follow, guys. In the meantime, you got like any queries, just ask me. You can listen that video or audio. Otherwise, if you go to ebook, then you'll have a clear view. Just go to ebook now once, because here what happens is like, someone is talking and the videos will go. Here you'll feel bit difficulty to perform something. Okay. Like, the speaker talks, you'll understand, but here that it goes like, the view, it goes like in a flow. Just open once ebook.
So wait a minute, I will reset my password. I think I don't understand. Like,
No need to worry. uh, okay, Abhay, I'm going to share my ebook. I have the ebook with me. Just give me a second. I'm just taking out you from the presenter. 1 second. Rework presenter. Yes, confirm. Yes. And now I'm sharing my screen because I have the share files, share screen, entire screen. Yes. So are you guys able to see my screen now? Yes. Are you guys able to see my screen now? Just mention in the chat. Yes. Yes. This is your ebook actually. Like, if something you register for some course. 1 second. I'm going to the libraries. If you register with some course, okay, that will be displayed in the ebook. Like, I am just registered with this kind of courses like ServiceNow fundamentals, Xanadu, ServiceNow administrator fundamentals. So you see here, these are the course I was registered, so I can see here. Whereas if I open ServiceNow fundamentals, now it is into Yokohama, guys. Okay, nothing to be worried. That will be revoked. Now we are into Yokohama. A new release has came like couple of days. Okay. So now what are the exam you're going to write in the CSA? It's Yokohama version. And before version, what happened, like, whoever write their exam in Xanadu, Vancouver, Washington, whatever it is, they have to write a mainline exam. That means even though you are done with your service now certification, what happens is like, every year you have to write a maintenance exams for that. But now you're going to write the exam in Yokohama, and from next year you don't have to write that mainline exam. If in the one who previously finished their exams like me, I just done my exam in the previous versions, because and every year what I do is like, I write a mainline exam. That means if I don't write that, my certification will be lost. But whereas for you guys, if you write in the Yokohama version, one time writing in the exam is fine. You're very lucky actually. Okay, so now just observe the screen. So here you see copyrights, these are nothing. Snap. Snap is nothing but ServiceNow administration fundamentals. You don't think like that is something else. Okay, this is nothing but ServiceNow administration fundamentals. Okay, Snap Glory. Here are key terms and okay, this is what we covered in, like, what exactly this is and what are the things here. It will be mentioned here. What is data pill and the data policies, dashboard, dependency view, a dot walking and different test. And these are all the things like, context menus, core tables, customizations. So what this is giving an overview, what exactly we discussed. So whatever the missed topics we're going to cover as we go finishing this module. Okay, HR service management, import sets, incident, instance. What is instance? IT service, ITSM. So these are what exactly included in the service now, like, CSA. This is for fundamental part. Okay. Now when we have here, we have introduction. So we don't need any user story. User story means like, someone you can clearly read this. This is as a student, I need to locate it, download my class resource, so I'm ready for success. So then after you'll have content, like, common waves. So you will be guided what to do, what not to do. Still you are guided, you will face some difficulties. So this is what we discussed when I'm explaining the class. What is client side, what is server side, Key concept. And what is client side is like, the basic thing is like whatever you see on the screen, this on the browser you see is like in a client. The server is like, in the server what happens is, you raise a request, and from that, from the database you'll get a response. That is server side. Okay. So you just read this. Then after you have a lab activity, download the course. Like that means, if you open this in the, you can download this course actually. And I don't want to download. So here you have section where download the course and additional PDF, service now admission from lab exercise, logo files and spreadsheets for using the lab exercise. So here are something you have to download some things, like, sometimes what happens is like, uh, in the first, like, I'll show here. So when you click download these things, so it contains of these files. Okay, these files you have to download and keep it, because in the coming set, in the, like, as you are going in deep of this, they'll be asking to upload some file, like, they'll ask you, like, upload the client dimension infinity logo png, upload the client dimension logo of png developer png. There is a lab, I'll show you, like, so user access. So lab activity 1.2, grant access application. So here you see this kind of labs, like, if you're done with the first two more things, then you understand what to do, what not to do. You understand? I think I already Abhishek and Arjun already done this. So they'll like, whoever done with the welcome to ServiceNow and ServiceNow micro certification, then you'll feel bit easy to work with this thing. Okay, just keep this in mind, guys. Like, I can directly give you time, and if you're asking your questions I can explain you, but I want to get each and everything in person. So I'm just explaining you each and what to do, what not to do as well. Okay, so just these things. Then you'll have lab. In the first, navigate to your assigned ServiceNow lab instance in the web browser of your choice. Bookmarks or save the instance here as well. You're like, in that, what you have to do in the URL provided by admin, username admin, provide your password. Then after, what you have to do, go to system administration, navigate to all system administration. It will be clearly mentioned here. If you do this task, like, in the, Abhay, I'm making you presenter. Just share me your now learning instance once. uh, yes. Yeah. So this is your URL. You're logged in after finishing the task. Then now go to the, uh, now learning thing. This is your instance. Go to now learning thing. Yes. Here, just scroll downwards, upwards, scroll downwards. Just directly click on. Just come down. Now let's hit water. Come down, come down. Scroll downwards. Go to the module one. Snap module one. Yes. Just wait. Look. Let me look here. Memorize the user access. Explore. Just go to the user access and the person. Yes. So scroll. Just after you finishing this, just go. Yes. So you all know that, guys, like, when we do, there is like, validate in the top corner. When you underneath the open my instance, there will be something validate. Okay, when you're doing the task, when you're doing going to the model, like, when you open the task, there will be an option validate. Not here. Yeah, open my instance. Shit. This is okay, fine. Mm, yes. Yeah. You come to know, like, so you have to do the task and click on validate. Okay. Click on validate. Yeah, you see, task failed. So if you're done with this task, what happens is, like, it will say the percentage will go, and then the test result will be validated. Okay, in such a way, start doing this, and I'll help you in the meantime. If you got like any queries, just ask me. We're gonna finish this whole thing until module 9 by today and tomorrow. If possible, we finish until module 9 today, and we'll start the project, Capstone project. Okay, guys? So start performing the task. Whoever facing any difficulties, share your screen. I'm here to help you. Okay. So I can directly start the project, but you won't directly get, like, because you don't have any hands-on experience. I ask you every day to work on it, but I don't know exactly how many members perform. But you will come to know exactly what is this task, what I have done, and what is there in instance. So that when building the project, it will be very useful for you, helpful for you to build the project. Okay. Abhay, start working. Okay. I'm just taking out as a like, presenter, just to start working on those things. And I'm here.
Okay.
Yes, so I am here. If any doubts, ask me. I'll explain you. You have to finish in front of me, because I have to see everyone finishing the tasks, so that I can conclude and we can go forward. Okay, Abhishek, Arjun, and other people, Abhay, start working on this. You have to buy today itself. I, like, take extra time or whatever it is after finishing the section as well. If you have any queries, you are stuck anywhere, I am here. I'm gonna join you. I'm gonna take your instance permission. Just share me your instance. I'll help you how to clear that. Okay. And I have a project for you. Other project, which is custom project, real time project with me. After finishing the Cape Town project, we're gonna build that as well. But the basic requirement is, like, being to be a submissive administrator, you have to finish those things. Okay, building other projects is not like, it's not getting into consideration, but we have to do these things. So everyone start doing this by maximum today, and tomorrow we're gonna finish complete thing, and we'll be starting building the project. So this is for your experience, like, how, what exactly, what are the functions, what is context menu. Because I can say you, like, this is context menu, go here, go do this, but you have to know exactly what you are doing, what the mistake you are doing. So how can I resolve that? Like, this is how I'm here. Just start building that. Any queries, ask me. I'm here. Okay, guys, just go ahead. And I'm also telling you guys, sometimes what happens is, like, due to some server errors also, it won't get validate. You have to perform the task again, and you have to validate the task. Yeah. Vicky, are you following me? Anuradha, are you guys following me? Just listening to me, or else following with me. I want your response, guys. Yeah, Abhishek, do you have any doubt? So you just mentioned question mark. So feel like you got like any doubt. Are you working on it? So in which module you are in? Guys, are you facing any difficulties? Just please mention. I am here. I will help you to get out of that. Yes, sir. Module two. Okay, fine. So make sure we will finish those modules today itself so that we can start developing the project from tomorrow. So nothing to be worried. Just finish them. Just read them step by step. So when we are building the module, it will help us. Okay. So when you open the ebook, you see some tasks. So start doing the task in the PDA. Okay. So are you following, guys? So in the ebook, you'll see the labs. So they are not from the beginning. Yes, okay, that is fine. In the ebook, you'll see the labs. You just start doing in the instance. That ebook is designed for this. Okay. All right. Just go ahead. Okay. If any queries, just raise your hand or like drop a text in the desk. So I want everyone's response. Are you following or are you going ahead? Just you just logged in and leaving like this. Yes, yes. Yeah, that is fine. Because you have to do this, then only you will understand what is service now. At least if you missed in the sessions or anything, when you're doing this, you'll come to know. Because each and every topic will be explained again in this module. I am only getting 4 people response in 7 people. There are 7 people joined in my thing, and I only got 4, 5 responses. That's it. Whatever the rest 2 guys. Anuradha, are you following me? And Vicky Kumar, are you guys following me? No response. Right, Anuradha. I hear finally I see your response. So you're following me, right? So you're doing the ebook ServiceNow fundamentals on demand, right? So So guys, in which snap you are, which module you are now? Guys, are you able to hear me? I'm just checking with you guys in which module you are in. Module 4, yeah. So, Bhaiya, have you completed the Welcome to Service Now and Micro Certification on Service Now? Yeah, module 4. So, when you open the ebook, you will see the task. You perform the task in the instance, okay? If you're not able to see in the directly from Service Now Learning, that is fine. But you just perform from using ebook as well. Like, both are same. Nothing to be worried. Yeah, Jin, are you there? Okay, Arjun. What about others? Sarang, Shubham, Sarang left. Shubham, Vicky, Anuradha. Guys, are you still working on it, or else you tied with the project? So, are you been to the college today, or like you're finished with your studies and staying at home? Guys, can you hear me? So you're in your internship period, so almost free. Oh, that's great actually. So you're done with like 4-1 and you're in the 4-2, or like you finished your third semester? Yes. Okay, Shubham. Yeah, Shubham, I was calling you before, but you're not in the session. I think you left before. Yes, sir, due to pro. Yeah, that's okay. That happens sometimes because like being in home, like I'm staying in the office for today to take the sessions because like due to like heavy winds, due to heavy winds, like I feel like at my home, like, and if I lose any power connectivity or something, I would have lose. Like if someone of you asking any doubts or something, I could have missed. So I stayed here. So in which you're working with the modules, right? Which module you are in? Just confirm me that, like so that I'll be having a look at the project as well, because I did like ages back. I'm not like in a couple of days I did a, like it's been very ages. So you're in the second module, okay, Shibam. Whatever other guys, in which module you are in? So we got plenty of time. No need to worry. We don't need to rush. You just do at least when I'm here. You just start working on it. If you face any difficulties, you can ask me. I don't ask you to perform the task when you're off from the system or something. You got like some other things. You got your project things, and you have to learn. You have to skill up yourself. You have to prepare on yourself. So at least this time utilize yourself. Like this is. So what about Abhay, others, Arjun, Abhishek? Which module you are in? One more attendee, Anuradha. Vicky, are you following me? You joined with me, but I couldn't get any of your response. Second module. What your response, guys? In which module you are in? So that we'll go what to do in tomorrow's session, whether to start the capstone project or should I come with some other concept explaining you. Yeah, I think if I come with better concept, it will be helpful for you. I wish to do that. Let's see if you finish this module. I hope like we'll finish the project development as soon because majorly the project development session comes in the CAD. That is we do in the ServiceNow studio. But for you like hands-on experience, we are discussing the project here. But anyhow, are you guys listening to me? Can you drop a message in the chat box if you're listening to me? Yes, yes, okay. So that is so I'll come with a concept tomorrow. We'll discuss the concept for like a couple of time. Then after we'll start doing the in which module you're in guys now? At least you finished 5 modules. You're in the 4th module itself. Last 25. 5 modules. Okay. Then it's fine. Fifth. Yeah, okay. Like, tomorrow we discussed an interesting topic tomorrow, which is not covered it. So, and then after you start doing the project again, then if you are done with all the modules, we'll start the capstone project. That is very important for you to understand what's happening, where it is going, and what is happening. Like here, some kind of task will be assigned. You have to do that, but that is like different a project environment. You'll do that in the UI UX. Okay. So Arjun is typing something. Okay, yeah. So fifth module, so rest, how many modules you got? Let me have a look. So 1.2.1, you're in the fifth. So 5.1 service catalog, 5.2. So is this a topic service catalog discussed? I think so. It was discussed before, right? Should I explain you with a simple, yes, then it's fine. So I'll see what any other topic which is not covered before. I'll explain you that 1 second. So knowledge check module recap platform analytics experience. Yeah, this platform analytics is recreating reports and dashboards. So now no one is like much showing much interest. I hope notifications were already discussed. When to send, where to send, who to send. Yes. Okay, like I'll come with some interesting topic tomorrow. Okay, which is very important for you as well, and I'll explain you the topic. Is it explained? Well, like knowledge article was being explained before. Any idea? Are you aware of knowledge article or knowledge catalogs? How we publish something, any books or anything, the organizations need to be. Did we discuss this about knowledge base? Yes, a little bit. Okay, then it's fine. I'll explain you in deep tomorrow this topic because it is like in an organization how people will be discussed and how we publish and who can access it will be discussed. Because like I feel like very bored, like you people doing that, but I was sitting here looking for your messages or something, messages or responses so that I can help you to get some knowledge. I was be eager to help you, but like unfortunately you're not asking me any singular. It was in welcome to service now. Yeah, then it is fine. Okay, so I can give you some more helps and tips. No, it wasn't service now. Then I'll explain you service portal. Did we discuss service portal? I showed you like we can directly take the URL and type SP. The service portal applies, but how we can add something into service portal? I'll explain you. Taking a knowledge base example and how we can publish that knowledge base into service portal. I'll disclose it like it's an important, yeah, interesting topic. Okay. So because I was sitting empty, you're not asking me a single doubt. I think you're clear with everything, or else like you're just following the flow. because I feel bored, man. Just looking at, because you have to finish that so that you will get some hands-on experience. So I was sitting calm. Chalo, I think we are done with the session for today. So let's continue tomorrow with the session. Okay, guys, have a great evening. Hope you do finish the session. If you finish that early, then it is fine. We can work. We can directly go to something else. I don't force you. You can also take the time in the tomorrow session. We'll take some time and we'll finish it. Because in the meantime, if you work, you'll get any doubts. Just ask me in the tomorrow session. Okay. Feel free to ask me. Okay, guys. See you. Take care. Good night. Bye bye. Thank you.